video I will show more things to help you get rich in PKXD. Let's go! In PKXD there is surprise boxes everywhere with coins or gems in them, and I know where one of them is. Let's try to get the other one. Doing quests can give you tons of coins and gems. There's event season section, weekly section, and daily section. There's tons of quests to complete. You can watch ads to get them, but I can't, because, you know. Anyways, Fashion Star is another minigame, which gives you coins and gems too. And the last one is to join giveaways. They give you lots of outfits, Fortnite coins and gems, and many more. Well, this took a long time to edit. See you in my next video reviewing PKXD's new update. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.